Nakam guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Manisha. So in this video I'm going to show how to easily make long hair pony. So guys, I basically know how much we girls struggle while making a pony and bringing out all the hair through that band twice or thrice is a nightmare. Yes, so I guess like this method of making pony is one of the easiest way and it won't mess your hair. So as you know, my hair is very long and it takes years to make a pony in the conventional way we usually make. Before I start making the pony, I'll just tell you what are the things that we actually need. So we need a rubber band with two hairpins attached, and I have just attached this pins like hairpins on the two sides like this. So I'll just attach once again and just show you how to attach that. Here's the hairpin and I'm just putting it into the band which I have. This is the band and yes, that's it. So two sides I have just placed these hairpins. Let's dive into the video and see how I make the pony. So guys, initially I'm using this serum. I'm using 2 pumps. I'm done with that. I'll just make a crown area puff. So before I start, I'll just make sure this area is pretty much flat. So now next part is to make the pony. So here comes this in the picture. So keep this handy. So I'll just place this here. Now I'm just taking the whole hair like this. So once I'm okay with the height, I'll just comb with the so once you're okay with that, just grab this tightly and see if the front look is fine. Now see the height, how much height you need. Okay, so if this is fine, just take out the band which you have in your hand. So I'm just taking out. So now take one of the hairpins that you have and insert inside this pony. Now hold this tightly and turn. So once you turn, I am holding it something like this and here something like this. So pull it very tightly and again rotate. Once again I'm rotating and here is the hairpin. So once it is done, now you have to just insert it this same place where you added the first pin, something like this. So now it is pretty much strong. So once that is done, we are done with the pony. You can also apply serum and yes, so that's it with the pony, and you can use some serum just to give flat look. So hope this pony is helpful. So that's it guys. this was the easiest method of making a long hair pony. I hope this was helpful. Do comment in the comment section and let me know. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.